In 2020, Volkswagen issued a recall for the US and Canada sold Atlas model of the 2018 model year. This recall covered a limited range of VINs, but if you have a 2018 Atlas and see the check engine light with the emission error code set in the ECU, this recall most likely covers your car. The problem is that in this model year, Volkswagen installed inefficient catalytic converters that may easily fail and stop cleaning your exhaust gases properly. This will lead to emission test failure and various trouble codes stored, as well as warning lights displayed on the dash of your car. The recall number is 26M4, and you can check if your VIN is eligible on the page volkswagen.com/owners/recalls. Just enter your VIN and check if the dealership is going to replace the catalyst section of the exhaust for free. The repair is quite straightforward. The dealer will install the new catalyst and gaskets and then provide your car with the software updates to reset any fault codes. Unfortunately, this recall is not limited by any time frame, so you can still use it. If not covered by the recall, the catalyst replacement will cost you about $1,000 in parts and additional $500–700 for labor.